Hi, welcome to the ASP.NET MVC and Entity Framework Learning by Example project. And today in this video, I would like to talk about how to filtering and do the parsing feature with product and category. Okay, so I got a lot of the requests from the you guys in the world, and they said how to do the filtering and the parsing feature with the product and category in at the same time on the project. So that's why today I create this video to guide you how to do it. Okay, so let's get started. So here, this one is the website we are working on. So when the user click on the category on the left side, here it should be filtering the data by the category name, by the category ID. So meaning when I click on the iPad here, so it will display the product in the iPad category. The same thing for click on iPhone and MacBook here. And currently this feature is still not implemented yet, so in this video today I will show you how to do it. Okay, so now click on product here. You can see when you go to the product page, so it will display all of the product in the database here. So now it already have the pasting feature here. And now when the user click on this one iPad, so it should direct the user to the product page and also filter the data for iPad only. And for example here on the when for example this one is the iPad data, so it have 4 pages here. And when the user on the iPad page, so they click on the page 2, so it should be go to the page 2 and also still keep the iPad data. Okay, so now let's do it. Open the Visual Studio, and now I go ahead to open the product controller. I go ahead to edit the code for partial view. There is a code to generate the product list page. Okay, so let's see. So now I go ahead to add one more parameter here. It should be the category. It is nullable. Copy this one. No. Use this one. Raw category is not null. Sorry, if not null, we will return the current data for this one, and otherwise we will do some filtering here. Okay. Order by, oh sorry, it should be order by, no, to page here. I break it into some line to make it look better. Okay, So if the category is not known, so we will filtering the data based on the category. Okay, so it seems fine. Now open the category view, path view. Yeah, so there is a view for category on the left side. Come here now. There the name of the category, and the next one it should be the action name. The next one it should be the controller name. There should be product. Some here we create some object. Here we have pet and category parameter, so we have to provide the data for this one. Pet. By default, when the user click on the link here, I will return the pet 1. And the category item dot category ID. And the last one, it should be noon. Okay, so now open the product list page. So when user click on the page link feature here, it should be gives the same thing. You can see currently we have the link here. Currently we have only the parameter data for page, and we should also pass the data for category as well. So we have to add one more parameter into the paging feature in the product list page here. Okay, so now back to the controller. I will pass the data of the viewback into viewback. Okay. Okay, so now let's try to view the code. Okay, come back to the website and refresh the page. Oh, we have the redundant here. Okay, so now when you hover into the iPad and iPhone MacBook on the left category, you can see on the status bar we have some page and category name as well. Okay, click on iPad. Here, so after user click on iPad, it will have the parameter pet ID equal 1 and category should be 2, and do the same thing for iPhone. Here 11, MacBook 13. Okay, you can see on the MacBook we have 2 pet of data. Yes, there's the MacBook here. Okay, you click on the pet number 2 and see how that it look. Here, so the pet change to pet 2 and still keep the category E3. It is working fine for now. Pet 1 and do the same thing for the iPhone pet. So click on pet 2, it should be pet 2, pet equal 2 and category equal 1. Okay, fine. Okay, so I think that's all for today. And after you finish this video, you know how to do the filtering and patching feature with the product and category at the same time. And I hope this one will helpful for you, and feel free to let me know if you see any issue during the demonstration. Okay, happy coding and talk to you later in another video. Bye bye.